of this show is rhubarb. So the harbinger of spring are these stalks, rhubarb. We don't need a lot of stalks, but in the springtime we've got rhubarb and asparagus, and we got little baby leaves, and all of these plants are cleansing, and they're therapeutic for the circulatory system. They're kind of waking us up from the long winter. And this one has kind of a sour taste to it, and so we're going to combine it with strawberries and make a strawberry rhubarb sauce to go over, yay, buttermilk pancakes. Let me tell you the story of how we were first discovered. Yes, yes, please. Okay, it was long ago in ancient Russia, and we were growing wild along the River Volga. The name of the river was Ra in some ancient symbolic language. Oh, yippee, yippee, yippee. And then the Greeks added on the word barbarum, which meant foreign or primitive. So we became known as raw barbarum or rhubarb. Yay! So our strawberry rhubarb sauce has about 3/4 of a cup of diced rhubarb, orange juice, honey, and strawberries. Very simple. That's it. So the first thing, I'm going to finish chopping up a little bit more of this. So the rhubarb, honey, orange juice goes together, and it cooks for about 10 minutes. Simmers with the lid on. So while that rhubarb is simmering, you don't put the strawberries in yet, they go in later. So while that rhubarb is simmering, we're going to make our pancake mix, which is real simple. The dry ingredients: whole wheat pastry flour, half a cup of another kind of flour. I like kamut flour. You could use spelt or whatever. A little bit of brown sugar, baking soda, salt. And the wet ingredients are buttermilk, water, egg yolk, and egg white that's whipped. So simple. So you need 1.5 cups of flour. Here's a cup of whole wheat pastry flour and 1/2 cup of kamut flour. And a little sweetener in there. This is sucanat. You could use brown sugar. Baking soda. Bloop. And some salt. Cup of buttermilk. You could also use a little combo of yogurt and water if you don't want to use buttermilk. 1/2 cup of water and 1 egg yolk. Now we're going to add the strawberries and simmer it with the lid off. About 10 minutes, 15. Let's put the beaten egg white in the batter. That's what lightens it up and makes those pancakes fluffy. Just fold it in. About 1/4 cup of batter per pancake. going to blend up the strawberry rhubarb so it's a sauce. You could leave it chunky. Buttermilk pancakes with strawberry rhubarb sauce. Isn't that a fun way to use rhubarb?